Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at this. It's the SMOROBOT. This is the X11. This is a pool vacuum. This thing is intelligent. It's going to clean my pool for me, and it's the most powerful pool vacuum on the market today. Now there's a few things I absolutely love about this fantastic robot pool vacuum. Now first off, it has a powerful battery, so it's going to last. Next, it's got these big treads where it's not going to get stuck because frankly, 50% of these pool robots are going to get stuck in even the most simple pool design. Then on top of all of that, look at this area here. This is what's sweeping. It doesn't have like a tiny little spot. This is the entire thing, and then it sucks it in right here with an incredible amount of suction. So really, really a smart pool vacuum. But on top of all that, this is intelligent cleaning. It isn't just doing random patterns in your pool and missing all the big stuff. This thing is systematically taking out every little spot in your pool, and that's what makes it great. It has a variety of settings from standard to fast if you just need a quick cleaning, and it's going to be easy to use. So I'm gonna go ahead, put it in the pool. We're gonna show you the results, and then we have the up close portion of the video coming up, so stick around. All right, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and drop her into the water, and you're gonna see what this thing can do. Now, SMOROBOT has been in business for a long period of time, and they're absolutely fantastic. Now, my pool needs a little work after a long weekend, so let's go ahead and check it out. And yeah, I'm very excited, and you should be too. If you're looking to pick up a pool vacuum, well, guess what? SMOROBOT is the pool vacuum of the future. All right, folks, now let's see how she did. We've been running it for a few minutes in the pool. I'm gonna drain some of the water out, and let's go ahead and check her out. So, pop the back off. There we go. And you can see, ooh, there is some dirt and filth and debris that is now out of my pool. It's great. All right, folks, go ahead and stick around. We've got the up close portion of the video coming up next. All right, folks, now it's time for the up close portion of the video. This is the SMOROBOT. This is a robot vacuum cleaner. You can see it's got 3 modes, off, and then standard and fast. You're gonna use standard most of the time, like when you really haven't cleaned your pool in a while, and then fast if you just need a quick job. It does come with an extra bin for your dirt and debris. I love when I saw this coming out of the box. Is it in? Yeah, it's in camera. This is essentially your power converter, what goes into the wall, your 110. But the fact that it's one of these, it's not just like a USB wire, that means that this thing's got a significant battery and this thing is powered to go. Okay, when you get one of those big boxes, you know it means business. Now it does have a little rope so you can easily grab it out of the pool. That's smart, that's just an intelligent design. And let me see if I can show you in the back here. You have to pop it up. This is how you empty out the trash bin, if you will. And that is going to get nasty and dirty depending on how dirty and nasty your pool is, but pretty much everyone's gonna have a lot of dirt in. Now, what I love about this, and it looks so good, doesn't it? It's just such a beautiful design. SMOROBOT, now first they're in intelligent design. It's gonna zig and zag and hit every little nook and cranny of your pool. You've seen my videos, you've seen me show a lot, and a lot of them are randomized. And you can have it in the pool for an hour and it keeps missing that one leaf, right? This hits every square inch of the pool perfectly, zigs and zags and hits every spot because it's an intelligent design. They put a big computer chip in here. Now on top of that, I can't tell you, my swim spa just has a little bump like this big where there's a pad in the bottom of the pool, and every other robot vacuum seems to get stuck on that pad or when it hits the wall because there's a slope. These big treads, these M1 Abrams tank treads, these things are gonna allow it to go over just about anything. This is a smart design. This looks like something you would see on the lunar lander. Like, this thing is designed to kick butt. All right, so turn it this way just so you can see it. I know you wanna see this. A lot of robot vacuums just have like a little piece right here picking up dirt. This has a huge section for picking up dirt. Great amount of suction. Some of them are just sweeping. This is actually sucking up your dirt right here. This is the Tank X11. X11, folks. And of course, smart design on the side here for your power supply. Again, I love that they give you a full big 110. This is like you'd have with a laptop. This is a huge lithium-ion battery in here, but this goes right in here and it's going to plug in easily. On top of that, this is your hook that's going to hook in, provide your own stick. We all have a pool stick, but that's going to hook in so you can pull it out of the water, or you can use the rope to pull it out of the water, or some combination of the two. See, the water cycles back out right here. And this is just a smart design. It's the robot vacuum for your pool, designed for your life. And I'm in love with this product. All right, folks, my name is Adam. Elite Demonstrations. I hope I've showed you everything about this cool product. You're absolutely going to love it. Go ahead and pick yours up. You gotta line these up when you put them in. There we go. You're going to love it. It's absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Look at these rubberized wheels. They're built to last. This is a quality design, folks. This is one. It's the bee's knees. It's the cat's meow. It's the cat's pajamas, folks. All right, go ahead and pick it up. You will not be disappointed. Again, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I hopefully showed you all sorts about this cool robot vacuum. Go ahead. You're going to dig it. Don't take my word for it. Pick it up for yourself. You absolutely will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and shouldn't turn that on dry. Adios, amigos.